Welcome to the show. I'm Kathy Ireland. Apple cider vinegar is a popular ingredient in the health and wellness community. But as more and more people try to incorporate apple cider vinegar, or ACV, into their daily routines, they're discovering one major roadblock: the taste. Joining us today is Jon Tanklage, president of Marukan Vinegar, U.S.A., to discuss his company's storied history and their new drink blend that makes getting your daily dose of apple cider vinegar easier and more delicious than ever. Welcome, Jon.
Thank you, Kathy. It's my pleasure.
Jon, can you please tell us about Marukan and how the company first got started?
Sure. Marukan is the oldest vinegar company in Japan. It's been around since 1649, still owned today by the original family in Japan. And through all that time, we've been refining and perfecting our vinegar making technique. So today, we believe we make the world's finest rice vinegar. We also have organic varieties next to you, Kathy, as well as our ponzus, which are world famous because they use real sudachi and yuzu fruit, citrus fruit from Japan that we import and blend with our rice vinegar and tamari soy sauce. So really the highest quality ponzu sauces that you'll find on the market. But that finally brings me to our brand new line that we're very excited about, is our apple cider vinegar line.
So Jon, what makes Marukan's new drink blend stand out from the competition?
The taste. This is a more drinkable form of ACV. When you're taking a shot in the morning, we realized most consumers were doing that, and so we wanted to give them a product that only Marukan could make that's a lot more drinkable, a lot more smooth. So we blended it with Marukan's organic rice vinegar, which is the smoothest vinegar that we know. We use this slow brewed process that no one else can really replicate. And by adding that to the apple cider vinegar, we get a drinkable form that people will really enjoy. I think that once people try this and replace their ACV shot routine with this Marukan drink blend, they'll never go back to straight ACV again.
It's definitely a teamwork environment, so we need to have a very nice communication between different departments. So like brewing side, blending side, packaging. We all need to work together to create our premium products.
It's smooth, it's tasteful, and it's nice on the palate. They're organic apple cider vinegars and our rice vinegar. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, and there are 2 new items to our product line. They're raw, unfiltered, packed with mother vinegar. It's good for you.
And so to be assured that we get this every day, we could potentially start our day with a shot of Marukan organic apple cider vinegar. We could add it into our green drinks that we make, or just drink it on its own?
Oh, sure, absolutely. And our website has all kinds of great serving suggestions and usage suggestions to incorporate apple cider vinegar. So check out marukanacv.com for more great ideas on how to use it.
Great. Well, Jon, congratulations to you, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Again, it's my pleasure, Kathy. Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching. I'm Kathy Ireland.